Hi. Yesterday, I had you write me some facts about the moon. Do you remember? The moon is a sphere. The moon is made of rock. Well, I hope you saved those facts because today I want you to add to that some facts about the sun. Now, I went down digging in my basement again and found this really cool book called The Sun. It's going to have a lot of the same information as this one, but I want to share it with you just to remind you to give you some facts about the sun. And this is nonfiction again, and it's written by Justin McCory Martin. See what other new facts maybe you can pick up about the sun. There's my table of contents, and they even called it chapters. Chapter 1, what is the sun? Page 4. Chapter 2, the hot center, page 8. And chapter 3, the super sun, page 12. And then we have our glossary and some questions on page 16. Are you wondering if there's pictures with the glossary like yesterday? Let me check that out really fast. Nope, no picture glossary today. But we're still going to learn a lot. What is the sun? The sun is yellow and bright. The sun warms your face. But what is the sun really? This book will tell you about it. The sun is a star. It is like other stars you see at night. So why does it look so big? The sun is the closest star to the earth. And here's a fast fact. The star is a medium-sized star. So it's actually not the biggest star out there, but it looks like it's the biggest one to us because it's the closest one to us. But it's only a medium size. There are bigger ones than that one. This is the sun. Like all stars, the sun is a giant ball of gas. The burning gas gives off light. The sun is very, very, very hot. It bubbles like a big bowl of soup. And here's a fast fact. The surface of the sun is 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's even sending off some fire off of it. The hot center. The sun is powerful. It has been shining for billions of years, and it will be shining for billions more. It's a long time. Now, this picture is like our solar system in this book, only it shows us the whole big circle here. The sun is the hot center of our solar system. The Earth and other planets all travel around it. There you can see they labeled all of the planets for us. This shows the difference in the size between the Earth and the sun. So that little blue dot there is the Earth. This is the sun. The sun is gigantic. It is much bigger than the planets that orbit it. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. The sun is just the right distance from the Earth for living things. If the sun was closer, our planet would be too hot. If the sun was farther away, it would be too cold. So here is Earth. It's just right for living things. Venus is the planet that's one planet closer. That would be too hot for living things. And Mars is the planet one planet out from us. Mars is too cold for living things. So we are in the perfect spot. The super sun. The sun is 93 million miles away, but we could not live without it. The sun keeps us warm. The sun gives us light. The sun provides energy. The sun is so bright that it can damage your eyes. You should never look directly at the sun without special sunglasses. And special sunglasses are the kinds that scientists have. So even if you have an awesome pair of sunglasses, Still don't want to look at the sun. It could hurt your eyes. All living things need the sun. Plants need the sun. Animals need the sun. And you need the sun too. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. So the sun you're feeling right now came off the sun, or the heat and the light you're seeing came off the sun 8 minutes ago. That's pretty fast considering how far away it is. Now, using some of that knowledge I just shared with you, can you write some facts about the sun? So just like yesterday, I'm going to write kind of a title, and then I'm going to number my 3 facts. I want to see if you can come up with 3 facts. So, facts. I'm going to do like I did yesterday and start with number 1. How do you spell it? Great. Sun is easy. I left my space in there. The sun is, S or Z, hot. And what am I missing? Right, the period. The sun is hot. That was fact number 1. Now, let's see what other facts I added. Number 2, the sun is a star. And I just learned in this book I could add that it's a medium-sized star. Number 3, the sun gives us heat. And that's starting to feel good now that things are warming up outside. So give it a try and see if you can write me 3 facts about the sun. Maybe go outside and sit in the sun while you do it, huh? See you next time.